Southern Champion Tray is a company that manufactures and distributes food packaging to many industries across the country. Material handlers play an important role in this process. Here is an overview of what they do. Material handlers' primary role is to unload and put away inbound pallets of finished goods for future shipment. This can include tasks like production scanning, applying labels, restacking pallets, and backfilling pick locations. Material handlers may be asked to assist with other responsibilities, such as relocating pallets, pulling damaged cases, loading outbound trucks, or preparing shipping documentation. The warehouse is almost 400,000 square feet and houses over 25,000 pallets using various racking systems. Each material handler has their own electric Raymond stand-up counterbalance lift truck that is used in the material handler role, as well as all warehouse operations. RF guns are used to navigate to and put away pallets. Team members are required to wear safety glasses, sleeve shirts, and closed-toed shoes. Other additional food safety guidelines restrict the use of cell phones, food on the floor, and drinks other than water. A successful material handler must be self-motivated. The role requires repetitious unloading of trailers, putting away of finished goods, and backfilling of pick locations. Material handlers must maintain high levels of housekeeping in accordance with BRC regulations. They are expected to work within all SCT rules and safety regulations to ensure a safe workplace for themselves as well as their team members. The material handler position is paid based on a productivity system that rewards highly productive employees. The average pay is $18.79 per hour. The more productive you are, the more you are paid. There are 3 basic shifts each day. Each shift is 8 hours. First shift is from 6:30 a.m. to 2:30 p.m. Second shift is from 2:30 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. Third shift is from 10:30 p.m. to 6:30 a.m. We operate 5 days a week, Monday through Friday. Overtime needs are based on business demands. SCT offers 8 company-paid holidays and 11 vacation days, with eligibility for all company benefits beginning the first day of the month following 30 days of employment. SCT benefits include 24-hour access to our wellness center, confidential counseling, annual marriage retreats, family days, and more. Upon being hired, we provide paid training on how to use our equipment, including lift truck certification. If this sounds like a job that interests you, go to www.sctrade.com/join our team to fill out an application and get more information.